Zte Blade A34 pattern lock remove. Let's fix. Hey everyone, I'm Asfaq.
Zte Blade A34.
You don't know your pattern lock. Don't worry about that. Let's fix the problem. My dear friend, turn off your phone. Keep in mind, when you connect to PC, press down volume button and power button at the same time. Press down volume button and power button also connect to the PC. When power 1 releases the power button only. Please hold the down volume button. Now you can see the recovery mode. You can press the down volume button for option select. Select the factory reset. Please reboot your phone. Successfully work completed. Thanks for watching.